Hi, I am recording this screencast to demonstrate our lineal classifier engine and the ability that we have in detecting fraudulent transactions. Not only do we classify, but we also provide the reasons and the factors behind why such a classification was done in the first place. So let's dive into the demo. We are greeted to our cloud platform, and upon creating the username and the password credentials, the user would be greeted to a short tutorial page which would walk through how a person is able to query. So initially, the user would have to create a folder where the associated dataset has to be uploaded, and this can be done in a very easy drag and drop manner, as it can be seen here. Since I have already uploaded the associated dataset, let's move on to query it. A user would have to create the angel here, as shown, and since that has already been done, let's move on to querying and seeing the results. As you can see on the screen, the angel is currently running. So let's execute the query to detect if a transaction is fraudulent or not. The user would have to select the associated dataset from the folder, and after which the user would have to fill in the associated query fields within this page. And let's take the second record here as an example. So a single click would automatically pre-populate all the query fields, and upon executing the query, our engine has classified this transaction to be fraudulent. And this fraudulent transaction comes with an associated score accuracy and also a confidence with it. Not only do we stop here, but we take it a step further by explaining what factors were used to determine that this record is fraudulent. And as the user scrolls down, the person is greeted to a bar graph which displays each of the factors that was used to determine why this transaction is fraudulent. As you can see, the predominant factor here is the MCC 4813. And if we were to do a simple search on the Citibank's appendix for the MCC codes for 4813, we can see that the description mentions that it is a special telecom merchant. This means that the transaction has been done manually and not via a machine or from a place or a commercial element. That being said, as the person scrolls down even more, we can also view the distance percentage distribution of the associated factors. This is an example of the power our classifier engine has. Thank you.